Tsunami Democràtic has done it again. They said that on the 11th, which is today, 11th, 12th and 13th of November, there will be a 3-day long protest, but they didn't say where or what it would be. And this morning they announced that people were expected to go to La Jonquera, which is the border between Catalonia and France, and block the AP7, which is the main highway that connects both countries. And that's what happened. People is already there. Actually, there's a stage has been set up in the middle of the highway, and for 3 days they are expected to be concerts held in there and having the highway blocked. So that's where I'm heading now to see what's happening. So we're in the car, we're in the highway, that's the highway that it's closed in the border, so at some point we're gonna be diverted to a secondary road, which supposedly is going to be quite busy because there's a lot of people going in there as well. So at some point we'll have to leave the car and walk to the stage. It's like the meeting point. So we don't know exactly where, or we don't know exactly how we're going to get in there, but well, that's where we're heading. Oh yeah, and that's Roger. He's our driver for today. He's very kindly. We are still 1 hour to go till La Jonquera, and we are already in a jam, so I don't know, because we're already quite late. In half an hour or so the sun is setting, so we're definitely getting there after dark. We're following those guys because they look like they knew what they were doing, and we are in a secondary road that we didn't know about, but it looks like we'll be able to make it to Pertús by car. So far we are in love with that Twingo. Wow, we are stuck in the middle of nowhere, like at 45 minutes from Pertús, and I don't know, and the guys we were following, they know they don't know where they're going because we talked to them and... Vamos para allá. We finally made it to Pertús. It's windy as hell and cold, and we're gonna make it. We're gonna see if we can find the stage. This is a tent that a friend gave to me like 10 years ago. Never use it, and yeah, we hope that it's gonna work. Basically, it's so windy. To see, because like some 50 meters or so ahead there's the there's the French police, and then there's like people in front of them, like kind of protecting, like giving some buffer between the police and the stage. And yeah, they were singing, and I don't know if they think they're gonna spend the whole night there, but it's already 12:30, and we're calling it a day. Shit. Roger, poli, tio, gendarmes. We've been waking up by... They're saying that the French cops are coming, and people has to wake up and go to the border of the... it's 5:20 in the morning. Oof. There's like the main stage or the main place where the people is, but then some meters up ahead there was a group of people, like I don't know, like 200 or so, or 250. That were holding up against because there's the French police, and now at 5:20, like a group of people just came up, waking up everybody, saying that the people is needed just in front of the cops. So I guess just people has been going to sleep, and well. can get some breakfast. The French police just gassed the people with pepper spray and people's going back, and we don't know exactly what's going on. We were about to leave, but now we don't know if we can or if it's safe to leave, so I don't know. We just left because here Roger is a proper man and he's out to go to work. Actually, he's reading in the book. No, he's reading in the book, he did. Com la puta. There's still people up there. There were about, I don't know how many, 300 or so, I don't know. Sandwiched in between the Spanish and the French police. I don't know for how long they're gonna hold out. I guess they're still there because there's two of them. Well, whatever, there's still people up there. We've been in the car for an hour and a half now, but we just made it till the next town, which is like 5 kilometers away, because Tsunami is calling for blocks in other parts of the road.